The Merchant and His Son. Long ago, there lived a rich merchant. He was very wise and honest. One day, he died and left all he had earned for his son. The rich merchant, due to his kind deeds, became a divine being in heaven. Now the son was a scoundrel. He squandered away all the wealth in gambling and other bad activities and became poor. The merchant saw all this and felt pity for his son. So, he appeared in front of his son and said, "Take this wishing cup and wish for anything, and it will appear. Also, I advise you to mend your ways." The son took the cup and became rich. But he did not mend his ways. One day, in a drunken state, he broke the cup and became poor again. The merchant could only sigh from above. The elephants who did not trample. Once, there lived a wise man in a village of just 30 families. The wise man taught all that was good and noble. As a result, the village became crime-free. However, the village headman was unhappy. Earlier, when crimes occurred, he used to punish people, collect fines, etc. But it was all over now. So to gain back all that, he went to the king and said, "Some villages are being robbed by thieves." The king ordered, "Catch them and have them trampled by elephants." The headman falsely accused the heads of the 30 families and the wise man as the thieves. Later, when they were laid to be trampled, the elephants refused to trample them. The king was surprised. The wise man said, "We have done no wrong. Our minds are pure and harmless." This purity was seen by the elephants, so they did not harm us. Then, the wise man told the king everything. The king punished the headman. The Ugly Prince. A king had no son, though he had 16,000 queens. Seeing his pain, one of the queens performed severe penances. God granted her 2 sons, one wise but ugly, and the other foolish but handsome. When the ugly prince came of age, his parents thought of marrying him off. They found a very beautiful princess for him. But they knew that no wise woman would marry their ugly son. So they told the princess that she could only see her husband after she had a child. One day, the princess, insisting on seeing her husband, the queen showed her the younger son. The princess was happy to have such a handsome prince as her husband. But one day, As she was walking in the garden, the elder prince came up to her and said, "I am your husband." The princess was shocked and furious, for she had been tricked. She went back to her father. But the wise elder prince won her heart through his wisdom. The sweet figs. A kingdom was ruled by a very just and kind king. One day, the king went around his kingdom in disguise to see how the people were faring under his rule. While moving around, he came to a hermitage. An ascetic saw him and offered him some figs. The king found the figs very sweet in taste. The ascetic replied, "The fruits are sweet because the king is a wise ruler." The king was surprised by this answer, so he asked the ascetic, "What if the king was unjust? Would the figs lose their sweetness?" The ascetic replied, "Yes, if the king is unjust, not only the figs, but also the whole atmosphere loses its sweetness." The king returned to his palace. To test the ascetic's words, he started ruling his kingdom unjustly. After some days, he again went to the ascetic and tasted the figs. This time the figs were bitter. The king decided to rule justly and make the figs sweet again.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.